Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by choosing the right needle and a workable length of thread. This matters because too long tangles and too short limits stitches. Cut 18 to 24 inches and snip the tip at an angle to form a point, then lightly wax the end so it slides and won't fray. Once done, hold the needle eye toward a light or window. This improves visibility. Then position the thread end flat against the eye before you attempt the pass. Now you compress the thread tip between your thumb and fingernail to form a slim wedge. That helps it enter the eye. With steady short motions, bring the thread to the needle eye and push through. Once the tip clears, pull 1 to 2 inches through so you have working tail. If you prefer a double thread for strength, fold the thread in the middle, pass the fold through the eye, then pull both loose ends through the loop and snug gently to create a secure double strand. Finish by securing the thread. Tie 1 or 2 small overhand knots at the end, or use a surgeon's knot for extra hold. This prevents pullout during a sew-in. Trim any excess tails and make a few practice stitches on scrap fabric to confirm tension and durability. If the thread slips out, don't panic. Try a metal threader, add wax, or change to a needle with a slightly larger eye. These fixes increase grip and reduce breakage so your sew-in stays tidy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.